Hey everyone, so I was editing this video and realized I did not even have an intro, so I just wanted to introduce this video. It's going to be more of a vlog style. My buddy and I are going to look at a BMW 330 Ci convertible. This one looks in pretty good shape, so I just wanted to intro this video, and there should be some other surprises, more of just like a vlog style in this video, so stay tuned. And if you like the vlogs, hit that thumbs up button, and let's get on to the vlog.
I can't find my way back to you till you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your...
Hey guys, so here is the look at the convertible. It is a 2003 silver with black interior, and check this out. M3 rims all around. There's a couple things wrong with it. The AC is not working, the top's not going down, and there is a little damage up here on the hood, but overall the condition is actually really good. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. All the electronics in this car actually work. It has the silver trim. It's not the titanium brushed aluminum one, but it is just the fake looking aluminum one. And look at this. The factory BMW nav. This is crazy. I've never seen a car that's had this yet, so it's a really cool thing to see. There's a couple things in the paintwork, not too bad. Right here, there's just a little ding. Right here, which isn't too bad. And one more over here, and I think some of these can be beat out. This is the worst rim right here, but it actually comes with the M3 spare, which is pretty cool. Here's the mirrors a little screwed up. Little stuff like that needs to be fixed, but overall, the condition of it is much better than any of the ones that we've checked out so far, and especially because it's a black interior, so it just looks super clean. Here's a look at the trunk. The guy even gave us a jack and jumper cables too with the car. So yeah, like I said, the guy gave us, so we did end up getting it. My friend ended up buying this car. So far it's the best one we saw. So it's a 2003 E46 coupe. We got it for $1,800. It has 180,000 miles. Super nice. We'll update you more when we get back and take a closer look at it, but this is just a quick look at it. And one thing I really like about this is the windshield. The windshield has like this coating on it, like the M3 style one, so it looks super cool on this car. Here's a quick look. We did get it, and we'll update you when we get back to the house. So we're back at the house after finally getting the car. Already putting an M3 steering wheel in it. I found this at the junkyard, and we're already putting it in the car, which is pretty sick. Here's another look at it. There's some damage up here, as I mentioned. It's not too bad. And the other thing we noticed is the rims are actually, the M3 rims in the back, one side is thicker, has the rear on it, and one side has the front. But he gave us the spare, so that definitely needs to be taken care of. This one sits in a lot more. There'll be more videos to come on this car, but here is just a quick look around at the car again. So far, it's in pretty good shape. More videos to come. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be working on my buddy's new 330 Ci convertible. There are a couple things that are wrong. Right now, his horn's not working, the top's not working, and there's some other miscellaneous stuff that we're going to try to fix in today's video. So I'm just going to set you guys up on the tripod, and we're just going to start working through some things. So to get to the horn, we were trying to break the wheel. Just the lugs on the car were so freaking tight. Whoever had the car before us, we broke this ratcheting wrench. Now I know it's 3/8 and it should be a 1/4, so we're trying to use the BMW toolkit that comes with it to break it. And just look how tight it is. That was all my weight on it just to break it. Lugs should not be that tight. Well, in this case, they're bolts, but you know what I mean.
All right, guys. So we just got the horn out, and it looks like the connector broke off. So we're gonna test it and see if it works.
I think you can have it in.
Oh!
Hey! One thing down already.
Yeah.
So as you saw, the horn was working, just a stupid electrical connection. We're gonna go to the junkyard and try picking one up. All right, so it's been a little while. We have been playing with the top, trying to get this top to go down because it does not go down. All the fuses are fine. When we press the button for the top to go down, it just blinks. And we were able to unlock the top so it does move a little, but we cannot move it anymore. We went into the back of the trunk and took out everything here and noticed that the hydraulic fluid is super low. I know it's slanted a little, but it should be at that target line and is no way close to that target line. So we did take that out, and I think we're going to fill it and try some other things to get this roof to hopefully manually go down. I did read the codes with Impa and Carly. Impa didn't give us too much, but we did try to look it up and we posted it to the forums, and Carly did mention that it could have a short in the ground, and I know there's a bunch of cables running up here that could be the issue. So we're gonna try to see if we can get this up first and look at the cables. But before we do that, we are going to get a new horn, because as you saw when we touched the two leads together earlier, the horn did start working. So we're going to get a new horn. Hey guys, so this is day 2 of trying to fix the convertible top. One thing we did is we took off the rear door panel, which I'll show you in a second, and we started going to the CVM and probing these pins to see if we had any continuity. And we noticed that on all these ones, so 14 pins 14.5 and so on, we had no continuity. So let me show you what the module looks like. This is the module, and we probed this pin out right here. We just pulled it off and probed the pins. Now we still can't manually get the roof down, and we're working on that right now to see why we can't manually get it down. But what we did notice is that, and from doing some research online, that we think the motor in the back thinks this is still unlocked, because this does not work. And this is a sign when we try to use our hand to unlock it, it does not work. And yes, we did check that the lock is already unlocked. So I guess that's not a problem, but it's another security measurement taken in place for the top, that if it thinks this deck inside is unlatched, the storage compartment, it will not allow the trunk to open up. So you have to manually do it with the key, and that, or the actual button, it overrides it. But that's why this does not work right now. So we're trying to figure out why we can't manually get it down, and we think it's because it thinks the compartment's locked. So we'll update you once we have some news. Hey guys, just wanted to update you. So after playing around with it for a while, manually unlocking this with an Allen key up here, which could be broken, so we actually had to go in here, and there's an Allen key behind the strip to allow these to unlock. This was frozen and we couldn't unlock it, and I was adjusting the actual boating cables. We tried that. We tried playing around with the actual latch in the back for the compartment for the storage in your trunk, playing with that lever back and forth for a while, and eventually we were able to unlock the back compartment, and we now, as you can see, have it somewhat folded in the air, and we were able to open up this compartment right here using that Allen key. And now we're going to try to manually fold the top down, and then we will take a look at the cabling, and I'll update you showing you what our cabling looks like.